5 guest towers, 5 swimming pools, a private lagoon, 18 different bars and restaurants, over 100 shops here at the Hilton Hawaiian in the beautiful Oahu. But is this the largest resort in all of Hawaii the resort for you? Well, in this week's video, we're gonna go over everything you need to know about Hilton Hawaiian Village. Cue that intro.
What's up, YouTube? Trevi from the Adventure Buddies, the modern travel family, bringing you another video filled with tips, tricks, and inspiration to make sure you maximize your next family adventure, like we always do here at the Adventure Buddies. So let's talk about location. It's 30-minute drive from the airport. It's right on the beach at the beginning of Waikiki, which is easy in and out access. Being right on the beach and next to the marina, this is quite the location.
So next up, let's talk about the room. So here in any of the 5 towers, you pretty much get a pretty good view because of how close it is to the beach. However, we must say that these rooms are fairly basic and nothing to write home about. But again, here at the Adventure Buddies, we don't care about the actual rooms because we're out having adventures. But if this is something that is important to you, we do just caution you because there is a bit of wear and tear inside of these hotel rooms.
So right here within the village, there's about 100 shops and about 18 different bars and restaurants. So you really don't even need to leave your location to get everything that you need.
So now let's talk about things to do inside the resort. So there are plenty of things to do outside of your hotel room. What do I mean by that? Well, right here located on the beach, not only do they have the beautiful white sandy beach, but they also have their own private lagoon. And why is this important? Well, this is some calm water where you can get some surf instructions out on the beach, or in the lagoon, they also offer up paddleboarding experiences where you can actually learn in a nice calm flat environment. On top of that, as we mentioned earlier in the video, there are 5 different swimming pools. So if you just want to lounge by the pool and soak up the rays, this is a great place to do it. However, we must caution you that there are some kiddie pools there. They weren't very nice and they probably could have been tidied up a little bit more. And so if soaking up the sun sitting by the pool is in your repertoire, you're gonna wanna check this place out.
So as of right now, it costs about $250 to $350 a night, which isn't too bad, but you must take into consideration the food and drink here is quite pricey, and anything extra, your chairs by the beach, your inner tubes, the little market, everything costs quite a bit of money.
And on top of that too, also all the activities that we mentioned before typically cost money. So if you want to get lessons on a paddleboard, if you want to rent a surfboard, all that is extra. So yes, the $250 to $350 sounds reasonable, but just keep in mind there are a lot of additional charges when making your final decision if you want to stay at the Hilton Hawaiian Village. So in summary, would the Adventure Buddies recommend staying at the Hilton Hawaiian Village? Well, as we thoroughly enjoyed our experience here at the hotel, we didn't spend a ton of time here, but we probably wouldn't recommend this for you guys going forward. Why? Well, it was fairly expensive as the charges started to add up, but we also didn't think the hotel was all that well kept and worth the price of admission. So we encourage you to continue to check out travelzoo.com. If you don't know what I'm talking about, click the link above where we go over how Trevi plans out all of our adventures and get some incredible deals, because we think there's probably a better deal out there for you to stay in the beautiful Waikiki. So if you haven't been to Hawaii or you're planning your next trip, check out this video here where we go over our 2-day Oahu itinerary that you're not going to want to miss out on, because this itinerary is jam-packed with adventures. And so if you guys do like this video, please consider giving us that big thumbs up. Comment down below which Hawaiian island is your favorite, and while you're at it, make sure you hit that red subscribe button down below. And so I'm Matt from the Adventure Buddies, and remember, life's an adventure.
Who are you going on it with?